Hey there, we are on the MSC Seascape. This is cabin 11286. It is a premium suite. It's all the way in the rear of the ship. As you see, as you walk in, you have this nice hallway that opens up into your living area, if you will, okay? On the right here, you have a couple of cabinets, your closets. You got shelves hanging and drawers.
And your safe.
Great. And your safe, yeah. The side is all hanging, and that side is all hanging. Got some slippers and a robe. Directly sort of across from that is your bed. This can be either two twins separated or one king put together. There's USB only on one side of the bed, and that is the only power. Nice drawers on the nightstands. As you can see, there's a nice sofa here, which does convert into be a bed. Across from the bed, you do have a nice sized TV, Lisa.
That is
it's
nice.
A really decent sized TV.
Right.
Yep, and under there is a mini bar. It's currently locked, but there's a mini bar there. Pull-up drawers, cubbies there. You've got all kinds of drawers here that pull out. Over here, your hair dryer. This is a makeup mirror. Nice. But it's also the rear balcony. So as we come out and walk around, you have this nice lounger right here, but you also have a lounger right here with a couple of chairs. As you see, it does overlook the back of the ship and this beautiful pool over there. But you can come all the way down here to the end as well. Yeah, beautiful view. All right, I think we haven't checked out the bathroom yet, so let's go check out the bathroom. There we go. Oh, now that toilet is in a great spot for someone tall like myself, 6'4", or even if you're a little bit on the fluffy side, okay? Place for linens, huge shower. I'm gonna climb in there in just a second. But nice dressing area out here, under countermount sink, couple shelves, makeup mirror. Let me give this to Lisa so I can crawl in there and you see how big this is. Look at this, guys.
Sorry.
Right? Awesome. So there you go. There is your premium suite in the rear of the ship. Let us know what you think of it.